Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I was safe and sound. And we slow down. For you and I was safe and we were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I was safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. I don't wanna play. You say we need a change, I feel that you need it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, it's not like we need them.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of guessing time. Fada, fada. I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm driving yesterday. for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of
Hello everyone, welcome back to the stream again. And today is tier 3 pool A of STARGAZE SCRIM. And sorry, I'm really sorry for the first match. I didn't get a chance to stream the first match because I transferred my global account to BGMI. So I have to borrow my friend's account for the stream. So I'm really sorry that I didn't get a chance to stream the first match. But at least we are right here. We are right here right now with the second stream of the day. And finally, we are here in Erangel map. The first or the second match of the day. And let's see what are the teams who are playing right now. We have Target Fusion, 4 Army Men, Mafia Criminal, IVH, Next Generation, UCHIHA, 4-man squad, Badass B, Hungry for Kills, and then Mairang Boys, the 4 Amigos, Redzone, Majin, Rymbai, IWC, Dream Squad, Wolfpack, Team Stat, Team Chahe, Khasi Barbarian, Elite, Meg Clan, Gamers, Underdawgs. So, welcome you all to the stream, and sorry, I'm really sorry for the first stream that I didn't get a chance because I transferred my global account to BGMI, so I have to borrow my friend's account for the stream, and it takes a very long time because I have to wait 200 seconds for each and every login. But I'm really happy right now, we are back. So the plane is coming in from Gatka to Yasnaya. So we have some of the players going to Gatka. We have one squad to hospital or Jajapol maybe, and some of them are gonna go to Pochinki or maybe Roshok. Okay, let's see which part of the map is going to be a fight in the early game. Team number 17. Team number 17. Okay, let's see. Team number 17. Where is team number 17? Team number 17 is this one, right? They are going to Roshok. Yes, we have team number 17 going to Roshok. But let's jump straight ahead with the part of the map where there's going to be a fight. Okay, only one squad is in Roshok, only squad number 17. But it seems squad number 21 player has been knocked out and only one player alive, MEG Tito, and the push is gonna come from team number 19, KB squad, Khasi Barbarians Elite with a full squad. They are gonna come and push against MEG squad. Let's see how will Khasi Barbarians gonna play this one out. They already got a total of 2 kills from prison. From prison or no, not from prison, I guess from Lipovka or what, I forgot. And they are already outside the zone, and Lucifer have been knocked out again from Khasi Barbarians, and only MEG Tito is gonna try to survive. So MEG Lucifer is gonna go down right here. No, MEG Tito is not gonna able to revive his teammate, and MEG Lucifer is gonna go down so easily. And KB Khasi Barbarians is gonna come on with the push against this last player from MEG squad, and that's it. A confirmation coming in from Khasi Barbarian, and that's it for team number 20. Team number 20, they are out of the match. MEG squad and Khasi Barbarians, they have to fight their way inside the zone, and the zone, it seems like it's gonna end in school. No, it seems like no one is in fight. Let's zoom in the map again. We have squad number 21 also gonna move right into the center of the map. We have another player has been knocked out right here. Arey bhai saab, I missed so many fights. Look at that! Still in prison. These guys are still in prison. 2 players have been knocked out from team number 15 and only 1 player survived. And it's a team number 15 and team number 8. So let's see who's gonna win in this fight. It's going to be a 1v1. Team number 8 and team number 15. Team number 8, what are they doing right there? They are still gonna go with that revive, or but it's going to be a 1v1 between team number 15 and team number 8. Still with that revive, but that zone is gonna take so much damage. That 𝐒𝐿𝐾R, what is gonna do? Is he gonna run away? I guess so. He's gonna run away into the safe zone. No, he's still rotating, and he managed to knock again. And the last player from team number 8, is he gonna go for the push? Yes, I guess so. He's gonna go for the push. Team number 8 again with another revive, or no? Arey bhai sahab, he still managed to revive, and he's gonna go down, this guy. Yes, the last player from team number 8. He's gonna struggle himself. And team number 15, that 𝐒𝐿𝐾R. 42 players alive. Come on, come on. We have a fight gonna happen between team number 21 as well with team number 4. Team number 21 and team number 4. It's going to be a push. This guy is alone. Where is his teammates? A push is coming in from team number 21 against team number 4. RPG squad. Only 2 players from this squad. Team number 17, bro. Okay, what a nice knock coming in from Zayden. RB6 Zayden. Another knock, and it's a fight, and what a squad wipe coming in from team number 4. Team number 4 managed to get with only 2 players in the squad. They managed to take down the whole squad, and that's a total of 4 kills for their squad. What a nice gameplay right there. And we have squad number 8 and squad number 15 already part their ways, and they are not gonna join the fight for now. They are gonna move to a safe zone. So let's jump to squad number 17. Squad number 17, yes, squad number 17 is right here, bro. Squad number 17. No one is near these guys. They are not in a fight. Squad number 17. Look at Khasi Barbarians. They are going to take the fight again. Khasi Barbarians, they are gonna take the fight again with squad number 10. It is squad number 10. Khasi Barbarians already with how many kills? Khasi Barbarians with a total of 5 kills. What about squad number 10? Squad number 10 with a total no kills yet for squad number 10. So they have to take down Khasi Barbarians. Squad number 10 is hungry for kills. Hungry for kills. Team number 6 is also gonna join the fight, I guess. Team number 21 or team number 23 is gonna join the fight. What a rape. That blue zone is already coming. And squad number 19, 1 player from Khasi Barbarian has been knocked out, and KB Black has also been taken down by BS Mikey. BS Mikey. Wow, what a nice gameplay from the squad number 10. And Khasi Barbarian, 2 players have been knocked out. Let's see the last 2 players from Khasi Barbarian. Yo Spoon. Arre bhai sahab. It's going to be a 2v2, I guess. Yes, team number 17, they are in school. They are still in school. Nobody is in a fight in school. Only team number 17 is in apartments. But let's focus on the match itself right here between team number 19 and team number 10. Team number 10 with still with 2 players alive, and Khasi Barbarians also with 2 players. Look at this guy struggling, and that's it for squad number 10. They died outside the zone. And Khasi Barbarians is gonna fight their way back into the zone. Khasi Barbarians It seems like Khasi Barbarians also died outside the zone, right? Yes, Khasi Barbarians also died outside the zone. And team number 17, they are still in no, they moved away from school, and they are gonna join the fight with squad number 8. It is squad number 8, only one player. Squad number 10 is gonna face against squad number 8, the solo player versus squad. Trying to boost himself up. Let's jump to squad number 6. Squad number 6 is very near with squad number 7, and one player from squad number 6 has been knocked out. Array, bhai, what is that? Squad number 12 and squad number 18 is also gonna take the fight, but we have squad number 6 and squad number 7. One player has been knocked out, and another player has been taken down from team number 17. Team number 17, that's going to be a 3v3 against team number 17 and team number 6. One player has been knocked out. Squad number 15, only one player alive. Squad number 6 is gonna go with the push, and squad number 14 have been knocked out. One player. Ooh, squad number 14 also. Are they gonna go for the revive? That's going to be very hard to revive because all the players from all the sides are covering the map, this very last zone, and it's going to be very hard for the revive for squad number 14. They are right in the middle of everyone. We have a fight happening right there between squad number 17 and squad number 8 as well. It's a very hard fight for now. Squad number 8, the solo player. This guy is coming all alone to fight. Squad number 15 is in the open. The last guy from squad number 14. Is he gonna die? Is he gonna die? This guy is gonna die for sure. The last player. But still, he have some cover from this rock. Squad number 14 still knocked out. Team number 15 trying to go with the confirmation. But look at the fight happening. From one part of the map to another part of the map. We have squad number 6. One player have been knocked out. Only 2 players from IVH squad. The last 2 players survived, and that second last player have been knocked out. It seems like the last player is still surviving, and he's gonna move inside the zone. Wow. The very last zone is gonna happen right there. A total of 9 squads, 8 squads alive, 16 people alive in this match. Is going to be a very big fight right now. Everyone is trying to fight their way into the safe zone. The safe zone is taking so much damage from all these players. And we have squad number 18, squad number 17, total of 6 squads alive right now. Let's take the eagle's eye view from all these players. And look at that, a smoke is covering everything. And squad number 18 with that squad wipe right there. And so we have squad number 18, squad number 15, squad number 4 and squad number 11 still alive. So squad number 15, only one player. Let's see what he's gonna do. He's still hiding behind this rock with a total of 6 kills for squad number 15, Deadly KR. Too much glitch. Yes, too much glitch, bro. Too much glitch. Since BGMI came, I don't know what happened to PUBG Mobile, but there's too much glitch. Even for the ping. Ping also, it glitched too much. Ping. When I played BGMI, the ping is very good. 40 ms in BGMI. But in PUBG Global, let's see, another player has been taken down from squad number 4 by squad number 18, CBJ. Squad number 4 already with advantage below this Rich. Squad number 11, the solo player, it seems. Yeah, solo player. Come on, fight your way into the zone. A total of 3 squads alive right now. A total of 3 squads. Squad number 4, squad number 11, and squad number 18. And player from squad number 4 has been knocked out again by CBJ. And the last player from squad number 11, he managed to take that knock. AG, what a nice gameplay from this guy. He managed to knock out each and everyone. The last guy from squad number 11. What a nice gameplay from this guy. Is going to be a 1v1. Squad number 4 still trying to go with that revive. And let's see, it's going to be a 2v1 and grenade, and managed to take down, but he died outside the zone. He didn't he managed to take some damage, but he didn't get the kill. How many kills team number 17? How many kills team number 17? Team number 17, they managed to get a total of 3 kills for team number 17. Total of 3 kills. Team number 17, they managed to take only the kills in the very last zone. The early game, they are not in a fight, but they managed to take those 3 kills right inside this very last zone. So we have squad number 14. Arey bhai sahab, I was about to spectate that guy from team number 4, and he managed to get that chicken dinner for his squad. But what a nice gameplay from AG squad. 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐃. He managed to get a total of 5 kills from him alone. And squad number 2 with the second position, only 2 players, but RBG squad, what squad is it, the name? They got that first position with a total of 7 kills. And AG squad, they managed to get a total of 5 kills. And third position, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 kills. Fourth position, 4, 5, 6. And fifth position, we have only 1, 2, 3 kills. IVH squad, we have 2, 3, 4 and 7. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 kills. And 8th position, we have 3 kills. 9th position, 0 kills. 10th position, 0 kills. 11th position, 1 kill. 12th position, 2 kills. 13th position, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 kills. 14th position, 0 kills. 15th position, how much? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 kills. 16th position, 1 kill. 17th position, 0 kills. 18th position, 0. 19th position, 0. 20, 0. 21 also 0 kills. So thank you so much for watching this team. We will be right back with the next match. It's going to be Tier 3 Pool B. It's going to be Tier 3 Pool B. Sunhawk and Erangel. We will be right back with the next team. Don't go anywhere, please. I'm sorry about the glitch. I don't know about the glitch. Ninja Mike Gaming. Hello. Welcome to the stream, Ninja Mike Gaming. Thank you so much for coming to the stream. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. You are already subscribed, I know. But please make sure to hit the like button. Thank you so much. And we'll be right back with the next match. I'm really sorry about the glitch. I don't know, since that BGMI came in Play Store for that testing, it seems like PUBG Global, it's very laggy. In BGMI I got 40 ping, but in PUBG Mobile Global it seems like ping is not stable. Even when I play in Classic, it's not stable, it's glitching too much. But in BGMI it's working pretty well. So we will be right back with the next match.